Howdy folks, Dad Gets Good here with another devlog for Guerrilla War. So I've been working on side effects today. So the first thing I did is I set up the concept of structures within strategy sites. So structures at the moment, they're just a type and a level of completion, although like that'll be from 0 to 1, and say 0.5 is halfway done or whatever. And the idea is the like over time in the strategy system, eventually you'll be able to build the enemy rather will be able to build things over time. But as it stands, I'm just starting it off just as a way to represent. So we've got a gene clinic here, and then a recruitment center, and then free supply centers. And these don't do anything at the moment, but eventually they would be the means for the production for them. So I've also built some mission sources which sort of do some sort of side effect in the world. So we have this monument mission, and the side effect for that is it creates a resistance camp in the region. And then the gene clinic, on success, it destroys one gene clinic at the city control zone at which it was done. So anyway, let's jump into the game. Oop, let me change the scene here.
Commander, we currently have no new supplies coming in. We'll need to seek out new means of replenishing our resources.
Here we go. So for the supplies, for the missions, so we've created this little resistance camp, and that was the consequence of me doing a monument mission at this region here. And the other thing we can do is we can do a gene clinic mission. I've sort of hooked up something that's rough and ready, so a lot of it doesn't work, but either way, these counts are actually real. They're based off the counts in the code. Let's jump into the mission sort of halfway done. I'll just demonstrate how it has a side effect. Hopefully this doesn't crash terribly. Nope, we're good. Alright, so let's just we'll drop an evac point. Now this is going to have some weird side effects when I started off because I haven't actually figured out how to do the animations yet.
You're near the target position.
So we won't get any bomb planting animation or things blowing up. I need to figure out what tags are missing for that. But either way, this is a gene clinic. This is a gene clinic parcel, and we're technically putting a bomb in there.
Rendezvous at the extraction point.
Yep. I'm just using the same mission logic from the monument mission. As I said, for the most part it works. It's just missing the
Heading out.
missing the, what am I trying to say? It's just missing the references to the animations and that kind of thing, but everything else seems to work just fine, which is great. Anyway, let's
You hear that?
just drop a couple of turns so that we can get out of this evac.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
As you can see, we've lost this person for all eternity.
Quiet, do you hear something?
Alright, let's get out of here.
Let's go. Evac confirmed. Heading home. Let's go.
Alright, we out.
Confirmed. Squad is clear. Detonating charges.
Oh yeah, so it's going to lag here for a moment as well, again because I haven't hooked up the right things for the detonation animation. So to complain that that matinee is not there, but then it'll move on. I always feel like I'd be rather unsettled if I was standing around someone who's wearing the skin of that thing. Anyway, so now that we've done that mission, the side effect of the gene clinic mission success will happen. So what should happen is now that count will have decremented down, and what that'll eventually mean is that you can use that as a means to stymie alien production. So Essentially, your choices that you make in the strategy layer, the missions you choose, that kind of thing, they actually
I told the troops to expect the best, and that's what you've shown them, Commander. Well done.
So now let's take a look. So now you can see we have 0 gene clitics, so that count has indeed dropped down. So starting to tie together tactical and strategic to give us a bit more sort of impact on the world. So I think next thing I'll be looking into is maybe trying to figure out how I'm going to make these resistance camps work. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.